Hello everyone. Welcome to AutoCode. Today, we'll show you how to write and understand your first Python program step by step. Step 1. Open an online compiler. First, go to your browser and search Online Python Compiler. Click on any free website like Programize or Replit. Step 2. Write the first program. Now, type this line of code. Print, hello, AutoCode. Step 3. Understand the print function. So what is print? We use it to show output on the screen. It tells the computer to display something. Whatever you put inside the quotes, it will show that. A variable in Python is like a container that stores data. You can give it a name and put a value inside it. Example. Name equals AutoCode. Age equals 23. Name is a variable. It stores the text AutoCode. Age is a variable. It stores the numbers. You can use these variables anytime in your program. You can see the output by clicking the Run button. Get ready for the next part on data types, and don't forget to subscribe for regular updates.